7 ways to become a stronger empath. Talking about empathy, it has to do with understanding other people's emotions and feelings. Being an empath is a definite edge for building and maintaining good relationships with people. A good relationship is one where the parties involved are willing not to just talk about their problems, but are eager to share their possessions. A lot of people view a good relationship as one that never lacks giving. Being an empath, you already have the potentials of making a good relationship because of your ability to feel one's emotions and readiness to offer help, even when it is not convenient to you. Research made it clear that being an empath is partially innate and partly learned. Therefore, one who is not an empath can learn to become one or even a better empath. Nevertheless, in this video, we're going to consider some ways to become a stronger empath. This makes it clear that one can move from being an empath who is often overwhelmed to becoming a better empath. Let us look at 7 ways to become a stronger empath. If you think this information is helpful to you, please help to like and share this video, guys. 1. Learn to let go. Not letting go in haste is seen as a pro for an empath. But when viewed from a different angle, it is a massive con for the empath. Most times, many empaths do not know how to let go. Although the relationship hurts or when the situation is getting beyond them, they do not want to just let it go. They try to give even beyond what they can offer to make sure they get the problem solved. The funny thing here is that even when it is not their problem, as a matter of fact, most times it is not even their problems. Likewise, empaths do not let people go even when the relationship is toxic. They try to find a way to adjust to accommodate the wrong person, and this leads them to burn out or to get drained. If one must become a better empath, he or she must learn how to let go of things that bring about bad energy, or ideas that drain the energy. This is a major rule to stick to if you want to become a better empath and stay happy and stable. 2. Grow self-understanding. Virtually all the empaths have this habit of feeling that they are the burden bearers of other people. Of course, it is good to care for others, but when you do not know how to manage it, very soon it might just turn to be a challenge you cannot surmount easily. If I should be blunt, the truth is that other people's challenges and problems are not yours. When you tend to care beyond what is required, it might even turn to bring you bad rather than good. You must start focusing more on your needs rather than that of other people. This is because if you keep thinking of other people ahead of yourself, very soon, when your own needs will arise, you might not have the energy to attain them. And to make it worse, nobody will be there for you because they believe you are self-sufficient and reliant. This is because you solve other people's problems a lot. Therefore, they believe you have the solutions to all of your problems. In other words, you must develop self-understanding and acknowledge your needs ahead of other people's needs. 3. Spend enough time meditating. No matter how you want to escape having thoughts about others, the truth is that you cannot make away with it easily. It is in your nature. Although you can apply some measures to control it. Caring for people takes a lot of mental strength. Therefore, as an empath, you always need your mind to be in the correct state at every point in time. To achieve this, you need to meditate on good and edifying things that will help keep your mind staying refreshed. 4. Follow your intuition. Empaths tend to attract the wrong people, and by doing so they waste their resources and strength on them. Really, they do not deserve the treat offered by empaths. Therefore, it is expedient that empaths follow their intuition while making friends. The truth is that an empath's intuition makes he or she feel it when they meet or communicate with the right or wrong person. But when it is the wrong person, they ignore their intuition, believing that everyone is kind just like they are. This eventually makes them run into bad people who get used to them and abandon them when they get all that they've wanted. This leaves the empath disappointed at the end of the day. 5. Learn to set healthy boundaries. If you are to become a stronger empath, this is definitely something you must do. One problem empaths have is that they do not know how to set boundaries because they do not want anybody to get offended. Setting the border should not just be for yourself, but equally for the person you are relating with. Don't just get yourself involved in everything about someone all the time, all in the name of caring. Learn to define some issues that are too personal and do not get involved in such manners. 6. Check and deal with your biases. If you think you do not have biases as an empath, you are not honest to yourself. Empaths are also biased based on some physical factors such as age, race, or gender. This already says it all. Some male empaths show affection towards females, some empaths look out for only older people, and so on. If you are trapped within any bias, You must deal with it thoroughly and learn to be fair enough to anybody as their needs arise. 7. Love yourself. Loving yourself does not necessarily mean you should turn to a narcissist or a selfish being. But then, you have to answer this question: what is the purpose of your life? The first and primary is to take care of yourself. You have to show yourself love a lot of times. Go hiking, go on a vacation, prepare an exceptional meal, go to the cinema, stroll, buy yourself new clothes and wares. This will allow you to do good for people because you have taken care of yourself. Well, those are 7 ways to become a stronger empath. So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoy watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to join our notification squad. Thanks for watching.